So we come over here, and we're going to bring our template up. All right, I got a light. Yay, good light. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so pull this back off. Make sure I got them all just before I pull this thing off. There we go. Every one of them. And there we go. We now have... Okay, I'm back. So I've got the piece of aluminum here. And these will be exact because they were made off of each other. So that's it right there. Now, a little bit of double stick tape is probably in order. So that's got it right there. There we go. Now I can just put it over on the drill press and I can drill it. And that will just make a bump. And then I can come back and re-drill it. So, what I can probably do is take some of this tape here and just tape it together. Because it's not really going to go anywhere, and I'm not going to be hard on it. So what we'll do is we'll just tape it together. Man, I hope you all can see. I really do. If I run that phone, it runs my battery down so fast. I'm hoping I'm down far enough where you can see. So anyway, I got to do two of them. So if you can't, I'll just really watch it on the next one. Here we go. That's good. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to bring it over here to the drill press. Yeah, need to lower it a little bit. Alright, there we go. Alright. Now we're going to come over here. we go. So take tape off of it. And that should be all of the holes. Really not that difficult to build things, you just have to stay after it. Alright, there we go, folks. Now we bring it over to the drill press. And okay,